Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down on the screen to open the quick panel. Once you open the quick panel, you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the pages. Now, scroll through the pages until you find the brightness icon. Looks like this, like the sun icon. Tap on this icon, and here we can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. Another way to change the brightness is to do it through settings. So we can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll down, tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can scroll down, find the display option and select it. And here we can tap on brightness to adjust the brightness. Also, you can enable or disable the adaptive brightness if you want the watch to set the brightness automatically according to the surrounding light. So once you're done adjusting the brightness, let me increase it a bit, like this. And once you're done, of course, you can press the home button or power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.